Hello YouTube, it's gadgetmainia here with a review of the Corsair k30 gaming keyboard. I've been using this keyboard for several months now, and I've wanted to give you my likes and dislikes and just general thoughts about the keyboard. I'll just give you a quick overview of the keyboard and go more in depth than I did in the unboxing. On the far left we've got the programmable G keys, and then at the top there's the different profile keys. We've got MR for programming, M1, M2, M3, and for different profiles, and you can lock it to the profile. You can either do that in the software or do it on the keyboard. In the software, you can do the programmable G keys and then set up multiple profiles. You can change things like basic command, playback options, you can change everything, all aspects of the keyboard. If you have multiple profiles, you can go onto the profile tabs and it'll list all the profiles, but I only have use one profile. You can change the backlighting of the keyboard from in the software. It doesn't always work. I don't know if it's because of it being Windows 10 not fully compatible or what, but that doesn't seem to always work totally. So it's more reliable just to change it using the actual keyboard itself, opposed to using it in the software. If it does work, you can have it to pulse the light as well, which is pretty cool. I think the big problem is because it's not fully compatible with Windows 8 yet, which is a shame on Corsair's side, but hopefully they'll bring more driver updates so the software will talk to the keyboard better at a later date. The keyboard is all black apart from the arrow keys, which are that sort of grey, and the WSAD keys, which obviously the arrow keys for in games. The keys have a good response to them. For the price, it's a really good keyboard. If you can just put up with the little fault with the software, it's a good keyboard for the money. This has been a review of the Corsair k30 gaming keyboard. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.